Hello, today on How To Thrifty, I'm going to review this Members Mark professional hose I found at Sam's Club. Right, again, here we have the professional hose I found at Sam's Club, made by Members Mark. It's extra long, it's kink resistant, 120 feet in length. It's pretty cheap. It's cheaper than anything I found at Home Depot. I do like the brass fittings on the inside on the female connector with appears to be a nice washer on there. And the grip itself appears to be pretty ergonomic. It does swivel as well, so to help prevent some kinking, and it looks like the male connector is pretty much the same as well. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the faucet here. As you can see, the ergonomic grip makes it real easy to attach. Gets a nice snug connection there. As I turn it on, I'm checking for leaks. I didn't find any leaks, which is really quite nice because the handle made it really easy to attach it to the faucet here. It did come with a kink already in it because of the way it was packaged, but that kink has gone away over time. I've been using this hose for several months now and there has been no issues with it. I've left it outside, it's been stepped on, it's been walked over, it's been run over with the lawnmower, and it's doing great. It's holding up just fine. It looks still brand new to me today. It's a great hose for the money. You can't beat it. I highly recommend it. It's better than anything I found at Home Depot. If you have a chance, if you have a Sam's Club membership, go ahead and pick this hose up. Thanks for watching How To Thrifty. Goodbye.